we present the new Manitou MLT 635. This machine, the Manitou Loader Telescopic, maximum lift height 6 meters, maximum lift capacity 3.5 tons, fitted with the new 130 horsepower Deutz engine, complete with a power shift gearbox, and it's the Plus transmission with the automatic feature. This is a totally new cabin with glass all the way, a single piece from the top of the roof all the way down to the front of the windscreen. On top of the cabin we have a patented screen guard with angled fins, allowing for maximum visibility wherever the load is up to maximum height. At the back of the machine here we still have the hydraulic tank filler there, we have the level gauge, we have the battery isolator, and we have a new toolbox here. At the front of the cabin we now have a compartment here which houses the external air filter, the windscreen washer fluid and the brake fluid. Easily accessible now is the external ECS hydraulic button. Road lights are standard, 2 work lights are standard to the front and 2 work lights are standard to the rear on this classic model. The machine is also fitted with new mudguards. They're a wider mudguard, giving much better wheel coverage, keeping the machine cleaner, and they incorporate the Manitou logo, much better for branding and so people understand the Manitou product. This machine is fitted as standard with Alliance 24-inch tyres. Other options and other brands are available. All the tyre valves are safety protected. The boom is constructed from 2 U-sections of steel welded along its entirety, and the boom and the outer boom are protected by the brushes. At the front of the boom we have the headstock going down to the Manitou carriage, and the Manitou carriage is secured manually with a pin, and we have a pin storage device on the chassis. On this machine we have the optional second auxiliary service fitted. 1 auxiliary service is always standard on the agricultural machines. The machine is fitted with Dana Spicer axles which incorporate oil immersed disc brakes on both front and rear axles. The axles are held in place by 2 bolts, and as we see here we have a towing or a recovery point at the front of the machine, standard for tractor homologation. Also new is the remote greasing for the axle swivels. We have the 2 greasers mounted at the top here. We have the diesel fuel tank, we have the new exhaust system, and we have the standard self-cleaning pre-filter. Also from this position we can see the side window wiper, which in its rest position is in the same line as the structure of the cabin, ensuring maximum visibility for the operator. We have the new sword style bonnet, lockable and easy opening, gas strut assisted. We have the air filter, we have a fuel pre-filter and a secondary fuel filter. At the rear of the machine with the Tier 4 engine we have the new SCR, which is where the AdBlue is injected into the engine exhaust system. We have the 130 horsepower 3.6 litre Deutz Stage 4 engine, and we have the DOC or the catalytic converter at the front there behind the radiator. The machine is fitted as standard with a fully automatic reversing fan, switchable from inside the cabin, and that is cooling the radiator pack, which is in 4 different stages. 1 for the air-to-air intercooler, 1 for the engine coolant, 1 for the transmission and 1 for the hydraulic. For ease of cleaning we have removable plates behind the radiator, and we have removable plates in the front of the radiator too. So all in all, a very accessible engine bay. In the same location as the fuel tank we have the new AdBlue tank, so conveniently located together for convenient fill. We have an oscillating rear axle incorporating the SLI strain gauge, as per all normal Manitou products. At the rear of the machine, we have the counterbalance weight, and this machine is fitted with an integral European style clevis hook. In the UK, this will be fitted with a hydraulic pickup hitch. Standard is trailer brakes, standard is electric socket, and optional are hydraulic services to the rear. Moved to the rear of the machine for easier access are the new remote greasers for the bottom of the main lift ram, the bottom of the compensation cylinder, and the front and rear bearings on the rear axle. At the rear of the machine, we have the new number plate holder with the integral number plate lights, the rear view mirror for visibility of the pickup hitch or the standard hitch. On the side of the machine, we have the safety prop for any maintenance whilst working underneath the boom. And on the back of the cabin, we have the new curved window, which, as well as allowing a means of emergency exit, opens for ventilation. At the top of the cab, we have the two standard rear work lights. One of the key benefits of the new cabin is the ease of access. One step before the cab floor, we have a cutout in the cab floor, making it much easier to step in. And also now we have two handles, the second handle being located on the door. So inside the cabin, we have a new handbrake, we have a new steering selector, giving the 3 steering modes electronically. And on the dashboard, we have the heater control. This is a classic machine. You have the option of air conditioning, which is standard on the premium and the elite version. The steering wheel is adjustable. Looking forward on the dashboard, we have the new Harmony display. Optional is the larger Vision display, which can incorporate forward and reverse facing cameras. The new switches on the machine are Manitou DSB patented buttons. These can be fitted anywhere in the cabin where there is a space for the switch, and they will work without any wiring. This is because the machine is equipped with CAN bus technology. The JSM joystick is now mounted onto the seat. It is adjustable and covers all of the normal lift, lower, crowd and tilt functions, as well as forward, neutral and reverse. Also on the armrest, we have the command control, which controls all of the hydraulics and the settings on the machine through the dashboard. The classic specification seat is a grandma seat. We have the option of an air seat, and we have the option of an air seat with low frequency vibration.